Hello, parents and teachers. I know that these are difficult times and our children right now they're at home with us, but we're trying to work, we're trying to do all of these things we still have to do, but they're asking us a lot of questions, right? I've seen the pictures out there, the memes, that the stuff that everybody's putting together, but I want to show you some examples of what I have been doing with my daughter when certain questions come up about, whether it's in math, reading, or science. So, in this first example, we're going to look at what my daughter asked me. She ended up asking me, "Hey, Papi, can I take 12 and can I divide them evenly into two different groups?" She didn't say it in those words. You'll see how she asked me, but instead of me doing it on some sort of board, I was happy to be in the kitchen and I grabbed some Cheerios. So let's see what we did there. Okay, so what was your question?
My question was, what was half of 12?
Half of 12. Okay, so what are we doing here?
So I'm putting one Cheerio in each one. And then I'm doing it over and over again. And then I'm going to count it at the end.
In each what?
In each group. 6.
6. How do you know it's 6?
Because I counted.
Counted what?
The Cheerios.
In? You counted how many Cheerios are in what?
That group. Now this group. 6.
Okay, so after that, I thought we were done. I was ready to put things away. But once again, she had more questions, just like kids do. And she said, "Okay, well, what if I have 13?" So without her asking, if this was an odd number, can I divide it evenly into these groups? She just said, "What if I have 13?" So this is what we did. Okay, so what's your question now?
Now my question is, how many, is there a double or half for 13?
I don't know. Let's figure it out.
Okay, and let me count. 6 here.
Okay.
There's a triangle. 7.
So is that really half?
No.
Okay, so what can we do? What do you think?
Hmm.
Because that's not fair. What if we're splitting the 13 Cheerios for you and for me?
That wouldn't be fair.
So how can we make it fair?
Hmm.
Looks like we have some extra ones. How many do we have extra?
1.
One extra, correct.
Hmm.
So we can call that a remainder.
Remainder.
Because there's an extra, it remains. So we have a remainder of
1.
1. Okay? But let's say we wanted to make it really, really, really fair. What do we do with that extra one? And what can we do?
We can split it.
Oh, and if we split it,
There would be 2. And
okay.
then we can put it in each pile, and then it would be fair.
Okay, so let's try it. Hold on. Okay, so what are you doing there?
I'm splitting the Cheerio. Yay! That was hard.
Okay, so
Now
how many are in this group?
7.
There's 7.
Wait, 7.5.
7.5. I'm counting it again.
1. Wait.
Count it out loud. Let me hear you.
1, 2,
Louder.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this half.
Oh, six
6.5.
and a half.
Okay,
Okay.
this one.
Okay, how many are in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.5.
Is it fair now?
Yes.
All right. Let me get some Cheerios. Ah, thank you. Now that you've seen what I've done with her, I hope that maybe you come up with some ideas of how you can answer your kids' questions as we're trying to work and they're doing their thing, they're doing their online learning as well, and we'll make those bonds together. I hope you can tell that these videos I'm making with her, they're pretty organic. They're coming along as she's asking me different things. So I'll share what I'm doing with her as those things happen. And in the meantime, have a great day.